Hey Brandy, this is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So just taking a quick look at your website, seeing what's going on, and seeing what we can do. So right off the bat, I'd like to get a free quote and your number. Click to calls are great. Like the logo over here. Typically, what I would say is put this all the way on the left, move everything over a little bit, cut this down by about 2/3 so that it's a lot smaller. But I do like that it's a drop-down menu and you show everyone exactly what you do. Then you have the form to submit. That's even better. It's actually you're doing really well with that. Our premium services, so you talk about each one. I do love how it turns around and talks a little bit about that. I would probably add a little bit more content in there, but otherwise, no, it's good. Customer support team, take advantage of our, experience. Form to submit throughout the pages, excellent. You guys are on a roll with that. And then what your neighbors are saying. So I'm assuming this is just people who are there's I don't know why it's only highlighting some of it. It's probably because it's only, it's not going to go along the whole thing over there. But anyway, those are necessary, not really, I mean, time and place. So it might not be for this area. But metal roof installation with video, videos are good. I don't know if people are actually watching videos simply because it takes time and it's like kind of like this, right? Sometimes it's difficult to get business owners to watch a video like this. But I do like how you have links all the way on the bottom again. Click to call. You're definitely doing very good with that one. But let's take a look behind the scenes, see what's going on, see if there's anything we can do. So right now, I use something called Ahrefs. It lets me know what's going on behind the scenes. So your UR rating is 41, which means you have a very strong website. Your DR rating is 33, which means Google does trust you a lot. You do have 143,000 backlinks. That is a ton of backlinks. And then you have, as far as everything goes, you have 558 referring domains. Now, backlink is when you have a link somewhere else that somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when somebody clicks on it, it comes back to your website. So your ratio is terrible there, but somehow you're still doing really good with DR, so I wouldn't really say anything. Now, you do have 377 organic traffic, and you are pulling in about 150 people a month through your website. But let's take a look at what those keywords are. Kind of get an idea of what's going on. So Posey Home Improvements doesn't count because it's more of a if it's not very specific to location and service, it's going to be an international keyword. For example, right? Vinyl siding near me, 6,000 people search for it. You're getting 35 people, but those can be in Kansas for all we know. So it's not really going to help you out. Metal roofing, Lexington, South Carolina. If you're in that area, sure, that's a great keyword. 70 are searching, you got 10 of them, and you're getting two. I'm assuming you do have South Carolina as a place. Yeah, Lexington, South Carolina. So you do have that area, which is good. Metal roofing, Augusta, Georgia. 100 people a month search for it. You got seven. You're in position number six. So you have the right idea. Gutters, Augusta, 153, 11. So you have the right idea. It's just capitalizing more and getting you ranking up a little bit. Metal roofer, Lexington, South Carolina. A lot of it also might have to do with getting an idea of what people do search for. But otherwise, like I said, you're on the right idea. See, root for Lexington, South Carolina. It has nothing to do with metal or anything like that. That's something you can always talk with them after. But simple is always better. 250 people a month search for that. This one, you switch from an image. It's all good. Anyway, not bad, not bad. Let's take a look at something else. So I just typed in roofing installers Augusta, Georgia to see what kind of pops up. So right after that, we got our ads. Anyone can pay for ads. If you're doing it correctly, it'll be very advantageous. If you're not, then unfortunately not. But then we have our GMB. Very important to get in here. About 30 to 40% of all people who are searching for anything will click on one of these three guys. After that, we have our organic search. Now, this is where we're really trying to rank over here because as long as you're doing the right things, you will get all the traffic. But we got Angie, Gaff, the best rated, WWO in scoring. So, this is just 15 independent roofing contractors near Augusta. This is going to be the first big one, right? Lovelace Company Roofing. They're your competition in the area. They're beating you out. So, they have their call number here. Click the call. They have their social media, which I don't agree with being up there. Again, it should probably be all the way closer to the bottom. But contact us today for a free estimate. As you can see, drop down. They have a drop down menu as well. Products, gallery, testimonials. Contact us. And then welcome to what they do. They have specialized in whatever it is. These are links to other pages, which is really good. Video about what it is they're offering, why you should choose them, and then that's it. So honestly, there's no real reason why that you should be losing out to them in this area specifically because they don't have a lot of content on their page. You have more content than them. So why is it that they're beating you? You have a better DR rating. You have a better UR rating. So what is up? They do have 602 backlinks with 49 referring domains, and they do have 156 organic keywords. So, I mean, part of it could be that they've just been around longer than you. I don't know if that's really the case, but let's take a look at those keywords. Oh, see, they just have better keywords, I think. But they have roofers in Augusta, Georgia, roofers Augusta, Georgia, roofers Augusta, Georgia. So you see, even an S makes a difference because 700 people a month defer between the S and the non-S, and they're getting a solid, 22, 22, 22 because they're in position 6. For this, Lovelace Roofing, no one cares about that one. But this one, roofing companies in Augusta, 300 people search for it. They're getting 15 because they're in position 8. So roofing Augusta, 100, 15, 10, 2. So they are taking up a lot of the top spots for some of these things. Now, once you get onto page 2, it gets a little more difficult to do anything. But how does this really help you? I think, having that many backlinks is fine, as well as, having that many referring domains, again, is good. I think you have 377 organic keywords, but I think you might want to tighten up on what it is you're actually looking for. So you might have that many organic keywords, but they might not be very specific. And that's could be a big problem. Now, content is key, so more content is definitely something you want to look at. Different areas you're ranking for, you want to have those keywords in there as well. So 3 things you got to get. I mean, I don't know if you need anything to do with backlinks, but maybe taking a look at them, making sure that your referring domains are strong referring domains and not just, you know, okay. Getting the content on your homepage as well, and then focusing on your keywords. Other than that, I really don't have anything, Brandy. I really hope this finds the right person. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.